Welcome to yes2hellwith.com. This is a short message for those of you who want to attend tomorrow's session at 11 Eastern Standard Time concerning the SOU for You package and how to use the Liberty Dialogues framework with artificial intelligence. And let me be clear, you must have purchased the SOU for You package in order to attend. We must confirm your order before we issue the passcode to the live video call. This is important. This class is for those who are serious about understanding how the Liberty Dialogues framework operates, how the system functions, and how it functions against us. Because of that, it is vital that we protect the platform, yourselves, and myself from unnecessary scrutiny. If you have purchased the SOU for You package, please email info@yes2hellwith.com so we can confirm your order and provide access credentials. Now, for those attending, this will be a very valuable lesson, especially for those who are not deeply familiar with technology. I will be preparing two documents. First, a practical guide on how to prompt AI or ChatGPT effectively to get the strongest, clearest performance. Second, a document outlining the benefits and limitations of AI, what it can do, what it cannot do, and how to use it wisely within the Liberty Dialogues framework. And this will provide tremendous insight as you move forward. If you have personal cases you would like to explore, we will examine those as examples during the session. I encourage you to email info@yes2hellwith.com with a brief description of your issue and what you believe are strong questions to ask ChatGPT in relation to your situation. We will use selected examples to demonstrate how to frame prompts, refine responses, and extract useful information without compromising structure. This will not be abstract. It will be very, very practical. Again, info@yes2hellwith.com, confirming your purchase of the SOU for You package, and we will prepare the call. That's it. Short message. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 11 Eastern Time. And as always, may truth reign supreme.